looking at some Subarus. We are at a cruise for the NorCal Sacramento VA group, which is basically 2015 and above, but it's anybody can show up. So let me show you around because I'm trying to get my steps in for today. Right here you have a 15 to 18 WRX. We have some nice sea light module. It looks like dynamic sea lights with high beams with projector. Basically with a CS style lip from Basin R. Medium grill, rim speed, plate locator, vinyl black roof, and he got some gauges on his vents. Looks like he's running some raised wheels. It's the 5-spoke, I don't know the name. And he has the super speed tail lights and the wing. So let's move over here. Got a few bug eyes. I don't know anything about them either. I know Terry drives one. I know the one with the little 3 circles right there on the blue one by the grill. That's a rare part. Tom, he's a YouTuber. You can follow him at Tom Vang TV. The TV you should be watching. Anything you want to say about your 18 WRX?
I'm still bone stock and I'm doing my best to keep the mod bug from taking over.
Let's see if he's really bone stock. First things first, we have a Ambassador thing right here. It's a cool little thing. You can also see the dash cam, so he's not bone stock.
I have a girlfriend that I place in my passenger all the time.
Looks like he has the armrest extensions. Could be a factory mod. Let's see what else. You got the OEM hey, come over here, bone stock. I'm pointing out so many things. F1, 4th brake light, bone stock. Guys trying to fool me. USDM splash guards. What is it? Splash guards? That ain't bone stock. That's Morty. I think it's Morty. It's a good show. I just don't watch it. Looks like we have an NVIDIA N1 single exit exhaust.
Check out the license plate.
Check out the license plates for Rick and Morty. Woke up your nightmare, bitch. Yes. This car seems like it's fast.
Basic stage 2 minus the intake, TVs, and Snail Performance Pro Tune.
Ooh, Snail's Performance. Nice.
By Travis Barnes.
Travis Barnes.
Yep.
Good guy. We got a
going for the Flex Fuel next, called Flex Fuel kit.
That's my favorite mod.
DW300 fuel pump.
DW300? That's an easy install. Even I know how to do that. I don't know any of it.
I like it.
Yeah, what's up? Oh, what's up, man?
I ended up with your my name is Mark.
What's up, Mark?
Yeah.
Are you following me? So I can follow you.
Yeah. I'm following you on Instagram.
For the most part, everything else is after that. We're stopping at Best Buy. Best Buy, we once again don't know how big the parking structure is going to be. It may be really busy, maybe not. This is the biggest parking spot. And I accept that. You guys can just it is a pretty big parking spot, but however, it's also Friday night. So we don't know how many people are there.
Go down, Riley's in downtown Folsom on Riley Street.
Right.
They should be dead by the time we get up there. I work there, so we can go
Fair enough.
take over their parking.
So we have, I think I have 3 event pages posted up between Sacktown Subaru, Sacramento VA, and Beeville Subies. Is there another one I did not mention on here? No? That's for the most part, that's where you guys got them, correct? NorCal as well. So if you guys get lost, or you get to one of the parking spots and no one's there, that's where you need to check to. If not, Alright, I'm ready
We-
for food.
There's Tom dipping. Did you have a fun time?
Pretty fun.
Stuff on there too that like I
Yeah.
touched it. I was like, oh, I got bigger for